And I see here market may face resistance here, and I am marking the zone as resistance. As we can see on big time frame, market already faced resistance here. And it is important to see how Nifty 50 market reacts here. If it sustained this level, Nifty 50 market may be bullish, and if not, then possible reversal is expected. Welcome, let us do trading. In this video, we're going to find out if this is the best indicator for Nifty options. And I will use my trading indicator on live Nifty 50 market to analyze Nifty 50 today and see the live result of this trading indicator. What does this trading indicator do? The answer is it analyzes the top 25 companies of Nifty 50 index. And these top 25 companies have the highest weightage in Nifty 50 index. And for this reason, we will try to find the trend of these companies that actually make Nifty 50 go bullish or bearish. Let us begin our analysis. Let me start updating this Excel file so that it updates and fetch data automatically. All right, we are ready to analyze Nifty 50 today. Great, this chart is showing, or my trading indicator is showing the trend of these top 25 companies. And the trend is bullish, but it seems weak because there is no much movement in companies, and they are not showing interest to go more high and call side, and half of these companies are trading in negative. So it suggests that the market may face resistance at upper level. So let's give it more time and how it reacts upper level. And one more thing to confirm this Lewis do other part of this analysis, and this will help us to understand more clearly. Perfect. As you can see in this chart that the trend of the black line is going slightly bearish, and try and compare to our other previous analysis that we just saw. So it suggests that the market is facing resistance at upper level, and these companies are showing less interest to go bullish, and I am expecting reversal from upper level. Let us wait to see how it goes because market has just opened and more time should be given. Okay, market is going bullish, and I see here market may face resistance here, and I am marking the zone as resistance. As we can see on big time frame, market already faced resistance here, and it is important to see how Nifty 50 market reacts here. If it sustained this level, Nifty 50 market may be bullish, and if not, then possible reversal is expected. Let us wait to see. So that is all from me and my best indicator for Nifty options. And you watch me how I analyze the Nifty 50 market and its trend by myself, automatically in Excel for fast and accurate and in most logical way. And do not worry, you can also do it yourself. And you guys, serious traders, you don't need to rely on any WhatsApp group or Telegram groups for tips to execute your trade, to buy and sell call or put. Just text me on my WhatsApp number that you can see on your screen, and I will tell you how you can get this ready to use Excel file that has the best indicator for Nifty options. To level up your Nifty 50 analysis, you should use this, so do not think just text me if you're interested and want to improve your analysis skills. Thank you so much for watching the video.